Why you need to get out of your comfort zone. We've all heard it. Get out of your comfort zone, push your limits. It will be good for you. While most of us nod blankly in agreement, the question is, how many of us really go out there and implement it? What is comfort zone? First things first, what is this comfort zone? Well, anything that keeps anxiety in check could qualify. Regular stuff like traveling to work, working, cooking, watching television, etc. None of this makes you anxious or uneasy, so it's a part of your comfort zone. Go beyond. Contrarily, anything capable of elevating anxiety levels, whatever makes us mentally or physically uncomfortable, falls outside our comfort zone. Although anxiety is not exactly something we go chasing after, a little bit of it can actually be healthy. Here's how it helps. You deal with life like a hero. Are you guilty of looking at the world through rose-tinted glasses, pretending like uncertainty and fear are alien concepts? Stop. While comfort has a familiar flavor, exploring the unknown tastes divine. When we look at things differently, dealing with sudden and unexpected changes becomes easier. You are better equipped to analyze. Nothing is more enlightening than ushering in change and newness. New skills, new experiences, new zones, new vibes, and brand new energies collectively educate, inspire, and enlighten us like nothing else can. Looking beyond our comfort zone helps us introspect and understand how dated our current ideas were and how they conflict with fresh knowledge. Your productivity hits an all-time high. People often tend to use being busy as a sham to stay in their comfort zones and avoid new challenges. But comfort thwarts productivity. That little bit of discomfort that arises from having to cope with expectations and deadlines tends to encourage productivity, as people are generally more driven when they are walking a tightrope. Pushing our boundaries helps us think and work smarter and hit our stride much sooner. Spot-on decisions come naturally to you. For those who are used to thinking on their feet, something as simple as slowing down leads to discomfort. Guilty as charged? Well then, slow down. Look around, observe, absorb, and interpret everything you see, only then intervene. You learn to take risks. Natural human nature is to fear failure. However, this prevents us from harnessing our true potential for growth and transformation, impedes exploring the unknown, and ultimately narrows down our personality. Your confidence is upped. Stepping outside our comfort zones causes some anxiety. However, when this kind of anxiety is mixed with feelings of possible success, it is no less than a high. For instance, an adrenaline-pumping activity like skydiving may first feel scary, but once completed, it is exhilarating. You understand creative achievement. Creativity is inherently risky. When we try being creative, we open ourselves to vulnerability and possible rejection. At the same time, taking a chance to risk failure elevates possibilities of excellent creative achievement. If you enjoyed watching our video, do like and share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.